Module 3, Statistical Analysis in Finance, intends to investigate the various approaches and strategies used in statistical analysis in financial industries. Given, given the growing emphasis of the data analytics in today's business environment, this topic is becoming more and more important. Business who are skilled at using data analytics will have an advantage over the rebels in their particular marketplace. There are measures of the center. In these sections, center of positions measures are review, which given us a good understanding of the topics and make us simpler for us to decide which measures is the best for our study. The measures of the center means the or average and median and mode. There are two categories of the data set. The population data covers all the outcomes or measurement of relevant of study. And sampler data is compressed outcomes measurements obtained from a subset or portion of the populations under investigation. Uh, the median typically delivers a more reliable measures of a center tendency, especially in situations where extreme value are present in the data set, and the mode represent the most frequently occurring value. The dataset multiple mode can exist if they share higher incidence resulting to the bimodal distribution. Measures of the spread, standard deviations, and variance. There are measures of position are important because they determine the portions of particular data points and data set, but they are not affected by extreme data points such as uh, the scores and the quartiles and percentiles. Mm, statistic distributions, statistical distributions and finance are used in to get an idea of all the data and determine how possible our particular value is likely to happen. Frequency distributions offers us systematic approach to arrange and condense the dataset. It is by the establishing the data into manageable categories, uh, facilitating the information graphs that aid interpreting the dataset, the normal distribution and continuous uh, continuous distribution and can be used when the frequency and data values decreases above the below. That means exponential distribution widely used to examine how long it will take for a specific event to occur. Practically implication to consider the higher rate of customers spending smaller amount of money, uh, contracting with fewer customers making larger purchases. Uh, probability distributions is a mathematically tool uh, to use to allocate probabilities to different position outcomes and functions to calculate the expected values of an outcome such as the scenario like a stack increasing or decreasing in value. In statistical analysis, we use the graph to represent the and review and univariant and bivariant data to facilitate its in interpretations. Uh, Univariant observation recorded for a single characteristic using the bar chart to compare the percentage, histogram to visualize continuous numeric data, salaries, blood pressures, and higher and etc. The bivariant observation recorded in the period of using time series graph and scatter plot such as salaries of employees and their representative years working at the company.